We are celebrating Deepavali festival. And what rituals we are seeing externally? So many lighting everywhere, here and there, so many varieties of the lighting in each house. That is rituals. That is not celebration. For example, I have to become engineer. Let us play a drama about engineers. By playing a drama about engineers, you cannot be engineers. Okay, let us be surgeon. Okay, I'm playing a drama, a movie. I became surgeon and I'm operating it. In that I cannot become surgeon. I have to practice medical science to become a doctor. I have to practice engineering to become engineer. Then what is the most important point? You have to practice Deepavali within. How to practice within? As external lamps are awakened, within head and spine, there are 7 areas where 7 centers are there. 7 important points are there. They are stored knowledge, stored power, unawakened power. Try to awaken one by one. Then you will realize these 7 areas are called churches. Why it is called churches? Because churches is supposed to be place of God. God means complete knowledge, power, peace, joy, everything. Because in this, when you concentrate, when concentration does not mean just put there. Concentration to each and every point means feeling oneness with that. The moment you feel oneness with that, you will realize each and every place will give you realization that you are potential child of God. And morning we were practicing it. Connect the plus and minus together. What is the meaning of plus? Journey towards God. What is the meaning of minus? Which will take you away from the God. What take you away from God? When we practice attachment aversion on the platform of senses. This taste is good, this is not good. Okay, all right, I am going to cook. I will make tasty food. Then I did something very tasty. Everybody liked. Oh, he is very good cook. He knows how to make better. Ingredients are the same. Everything is the same. Only I have created taste and you liked it. Now you have developed attachment towards that taste and you are not liking other taste. This will take you away from knowledge. Therefore, try to understand it in all sense perception. When all varieties of the sense perception on the platform of smell, taste, vision, touch, hearing, whenever we practice attachment aversion, it will take you away from God. Oh, I like that movie. Okay, all right. I like that music. It means you are attracted by certain song, certain phonetics, certain rhythm, and you do not like others. It will take you away to God. Therefore, whatever we feel on the platform of senses, accept all with this idea, each and everything is presence of God. At the same time, you have to turn your eyeballs upward, locate forehead point. This is called intelligence point, center of spiritual vision. Then you will realize, now these wisdom centers are awakening. When you find concentration on any chakra, at the same time you will realize you are potential child of God. Then you got church. Church means place of God. Until we are not able to realize it, simply we say that, oh, churches are within head and spine. Saying will not help. You have to feel it. When you are feeling it, then you will have confidence. You can do anything in the world. The moment you have confidence, you can do anything in the world. It means now you are inside church, place of God. Then how to develop confidence? We practice it many times. Concentration on head to toes. What you feel, pain, pleasure, warm and cold, heaviness, lightness, comfort, discomfort, whatever you feel, accept it, have great joy, never say bad. Oh, God has become this, let us accept it. At the same time, turn eyeballs upward. Locate at forehead point. Whatever you see, different colors, black, blue, orange, whatever. This is presence of God. Now you have connected this center, intelligence center, with the other negative parts of the head to toes. Then you will find slowly, each and every central village starts glowing. If you are practicing, appreciate all taste, then Swadhisthana chakra will be awakened. When you practice complete oneness with the fragrance, with the smell, then Mooladhara chakra will be awakened. And when you will realize, you will practice complete oneness with all visual, all colors are the best, all height are the best. Each and everything whatever I see, it is manifestation of God. But until you see your arms and fingers, if you don't feel it is frozen consciousness of God, and if you are trying to appreciate others, oh your hands are very beautiful, oh your face is very beautiful, this is called temptation. That will never take you to kingdom of God. I like that pretty face, I like that kind of sound, oh that sound is very nice. When you call on the phone, oh very attractive. Now I want to open Facebook, I have to see that, oh very nice. Get attracted with the sound quality, get attracted with the different lifestyle, different facial expression. This will take you away from God. But when you appreciate all visual things equally, before that you have to see your fingers, how you feel it. Oh, very ugly. It means you are going away from God. Appreciate each and everything what you see within your head to toes. It is frozen consciousness of God. Practice it more and more. Never think that any part is ugly. Never think your color is not good. Never think your body weight is not good. Never think your figure is not good. Just keep on appreciating. One day you will find that God has become your existence. Then you will realize God has become all. Then our behavior will be correct. Otherwise you will say, okay, all right, Guruji has said that God has become all. Oh, that pretty face, I want that. I had to be behind that. I will keep on searching day and night how to get that. Other